My name is Amanda Reel. My job title is Team Lead of Welding and Manual Operations. So I lead the guys, the welders, the grinders, the drill press operators to do the right operations in the right time and do any training if necessary. I like working at TRUMPF because everybody is allowed to have their own opinion and everybody can suggest anything they think they might be able to improve. And I think it's a really good place for you to be able to be your own person, but to also be together as a group. I decided to work in the field of welding when I was actually 15 years old. I went to a technical high school. What motivated me to strive for a leadership role is because I love teaching people. I get such a feeling of satisfaction when I know that somebody learned and understood something new that I taught them, so I think that's really what pushed me. At TRUMPF, I had to be very brave when I stepped up for the team lead position because I'm the team lead now for between 10 and 15 guys. It was a big step, but I think it's going well. The advice I would give to somebody going for a leadership position is to always keep an open mind and always be willing to also learn from the people that you're leading and not to just spend all of your time leading, because you will always need to advance yourself in order to advance others. So outside of work, I play on TRUMPF-sponsored sports teams. They have like bowling and softball. I'm on both of those. And I go to school. I go to college part-time on the side. And I also play with my dog a whole lot and take her on a lot of walks.